Hello everyone, it's Nikhil from Expert Station, here with the unboxing of the new Windows Phone Nokia Lumia 710. It is said that it is the amazing everyday, and it truly is also. It is not the T-Mobile or AT&T Mobile, but it is a standard device. As you can see, the box is different from the original T-Mobile. So here is the pic of the original T-Mobile box. So guys, it has a 3.7-inch display. Here is the white color printed over the box. And it has Windows Phone 7.5 Mango. It is the latest version of Windows Phone. And here is the black color image with some apps in marketplace called Facebook, Twitter and Angry Birds, the game. It also has some apps from Nokia called Nokia Drive, Nokia Maps and Nokia Music. We will see it in the full review soon. So this device costs about 18,000 rupees or $360. So let us continue further to the unboxing of the new Nokia Lumia 710, the amazing everyday. So I will tell you some short features of this device. It has a 1.4 GHz Snapdragon processor, which is good for gaming. It has a long battery life because it has a 1300 mAh battery. It has a 3.7-inch WVGA display with clear black technology. A 5-megapixel camera with 720p HD video recording. It only supports micro SIM. So let's start the unboxing. So this is the main device. Let us keep it aside. This is the 1300 mAh battery. So here's the manual inside this thin box. It's the help and support and the other get started and the common features. And it is the product and safety information. Nice space was saved by Nokia for the manuals. So now let us see what else is inside the box. In the center we have a charging adapter. The tip of the charger is micro USB, that is USB through charging. So here on the right we have the USB cord, that is the micro USB used for syncing data. We can only sync media, photo, video and music through this and not any other file. And for syncing them, the Zoom software is used. We will upload a separate video to show you how to sync data through this device. So at the left, we have the earphone or earpiece in the black color, also with additional ear tips. And you can change the ear tips, it's optional. Now let us see. It's pretty tight. So this is the earpiece. It's a in-ear type. And here is the music pause or play button, as well as the call receive button. And here is the microphone, very tiny, used mostly for calls. And these are the additional ear tips for changing them on this. The packing of the microphone was very nice. So these are the additional ear tips to put on the earpiece. So here they are in 3 different sizes, that is the small, medium and large, according to your convenience. So here on the earpiece is the 3.5 mm jack to plug in into this for music. So now let's keep the contents inside the box and put the battery inside the device and start the device. So this is the inside of the device. Here with the cavity for inserting the micro SIM. Here's the 5 megapixel camera with 720p HD video recording with flash also. And here's the loudspeaker for musics, and the antenna areas are here and here also. So now let us see the external features of the device. Here at the bottom are 3 physical buttons. This is the back key, this is the home key, and this is the search key which takes you to the Bing search. This is the 3.7-inch WVGA display with clear black technology. Here's the proximity sensor for calls, and here's the loudspeaker also for the calls, and below the loudspeaker is the Nokia printed. So on the right of the device, here we have the volume rockers, volume up and volume down, and here we have the camera shutter release button or simply the camera button for taking pictures like a normal camera. Here on the left we have no buttons, and here is the cavity for opening the back cover out, just like that. So here on the top in the center we have the 3.5mm audio jack. On the left we have the USB port, and on the right we have the power button or the lock unlock button. So here on the bottom, here we have a tiny microphone for calls, and here we have the lanyard hold for attaching a wrist strap if you need it. So now let us power on the device and see some of its main features. So that's the lock screen now. Here you can see the time, date, the day also, and here are the notifications of the battery, your signal, and Wi-Fi also is there, but currently the Wi-Fi is off. You can also set a password, and in case of any emergency call you can press that emergency call button which takes you to the dialer. So this is the original look of the Windows Phone, which is pretty nice. Special Nokia apps are there on the device, but not all of them are there. You have to download some of them from the market. So this is the main start screen or the taskbar as we say, and you can pin various apps here. For doing that, you will swipe left and then long click on any icon, for example the Nokia Drive, and select pin to start, and that will get pinned to the start now. Now in that way you can pin as many apps as you want. So a good feature of the Windows Phone is the Office, that is the Microsoft Office. Now let us see. This is like the Microsoft Office on the PC. The main files and the OneNote also is there, and locations, that is SharePoint, SkyDrive, etc., where you can share your files. So now let us see browsing. You have to turn the Wi-Fi on directly from the settings, and there is no tile for the Wi-Fi. Let us first see the marketplace. It is not like the Android, it is very different, and you can swipe left or right as the original Windows Phone. Here are the main apps, that is apps on Nokia, apps and games. The apps on Nokia include various apps which are exclusively by Nokia, and the apps and games include the other apps and the games. Now here the featured apps appear. So we don't like one thing about this, that most of the apps are paid. Even Angry Birds we have to pay to play or download the trial version. That's not so much nice. I have currently downloaded the trial version. There's only one level stage in it, and we don't like this, that most of the apps are paid. So as you can see, Angry Birds is also paid, that is buy button appears there, but I have downloaded the trial version. So now let us see Zune Music on this. That is the main place for music and videos. The music's here nothing. You have to connect it to your computer to sync videos and music. And then we have our videos and the podcast. You have to connect the earpiece to listen to radio, and there you have the history and the new also, and connected apps to the Zune. Now let us see the video quality on the device. It supports 720p HD videos and it also has a WJ display with clear black technology as we have seen earlier. Now let us see videos. So the video quality is very sleek and very nice. The black is very black and colors very nice. As you can see, it appears too black, but it is very nice. Now let us see browsing on the device. Currently I have opened the google.com on the Internet Explorer, the original Google, and you can also rotate to make it as an original experience. There is also the pins to zoom, and even after zooming, very nice quality appears. As you can see, it looks still very nice. And this is the keypad of the Lumia 710. Now you can type anything here. For example, I will type Gameloft and then hit search. So now the scrolling is also very non-laggy as it has a 1.4 GHz processor. And even after zooming, the text appears to be clear. So that was the browsing on the device. Now let us see one feature of the camera button of the device. Now even if you are in any application or even if your phone is locked, you can access the camera by long pressing the camera button. It directly unlocks the screen and puts you inside the camera. So as you have already seen, it supports 720p HD videos and records also the same. So now that's all of the camera. We will soon upload a camera test of the device. Now let us see the dialer. This makes very nice sound and this key has no sound. Here at the bottom are the buttons of call or save. So now that's all was the dialer. So that's it guys, subscribe to our channel if you like this video and stay tuned for more unboxings and reviews, and also for the review of this device, that is the Nokia Lumia 710, the amazing everyday. Thanks for watching. So now I will tell you some short specifications of this device. It has a 1.4 GHz Snapdragon processor, a 3.7-inch display with WJ and clear black technology, and a 1300 mAh battery, a 5 megapixel camera with flash and also 720p HD video recording. The latest version of Windows Phone 7.5, that is Mango.